In our world, there are many diseases, and one of it is from mosquitoes.
Mosquito are small but deadly. They attack silently.
It also strikes anywhere at any time. It is a threat to our community, health, and to our home.
Alam mo ba tayo, lamok-lamok sa bahay namin. Kahit dito, lamok-lamok dito. Kaya nga pero alam mo, feel ko, dahil talaga yun kasi sa tag-ulan na kayo.
That's correct. Mosquitoes are active during rainy days, which is why it's important for us to take preventive actions.
After all, prevention is better than cure.
Upang maiwasan ang mga dengue sa ating mga tahanan at komunidad, maaari tayong mag-search at destroy ng mga places kung saan sila maaaring manirahan.
We also need to look around us because mosquitoes can breed in any places like uncovered containers, unkept areas, and in the piles of trash around our community.
But remember that dengue is preventable only if we act.
So we need to act now and be dengue-free tomorrow. And with every small step we take, make a meaningful change in our lives. But the question is, how do we begin?
Change must start with you. To prevent dengue, we need to learn about it and take an action. But when can we do it?